My name is Robin Spinks, and I am the owner and CFO of Greenfield Energy. And we have 5 full-time employees and 1 part-time employee. We officially organized Greenfield Energy in 2007, but my partner Floyd had been in the generator business for many, many years in the hog industry and in the Bahamas and other places. And in 2007, which was not long after some of the hurricanes in the 90s, I organized the company and bought an inventory of generators, and then we went together to form Greenfield Energy. The biggest challenge for our business is the seasonality of any generator business. And so we are trying very hard to levelize that seasonal demand by having dealers in other parts of the country along the coast, and also entering other markets besides just the coastal need. Our short-term goal as well as our long-term goal is to be profitable. We've spent a good deal of money over the last few years growing the business and developing this new generator product that Floyd has designed. And as a result, we have a dealer network that we've set up for other products. And we hope with this award and also the certifications that we're getting, the regulatory issues resolved, that we'll be able to grow this market all over, no matter where the hurricanes hit.
We all know that living in a coastal area offers a wonderful lifestyle and draws us here and keeps us here, but it can also bring some special challenges, such as consequences of weather events and sometimes the effects of salty air on machinery. But with their proprietary Hero generator designed to minimize internal corrosion from salt air, Greenfield Energy addresses both of those special challenges with a power generation solution designed for areas like ours that sometimes experience weather-related power outages. Not very often, but sometimes. With the dealer network they've already established in coastal states over many years for their traditional generators, the company's well positioned now to roll out this specialized Hero product to the right coastal customers across the eastern seaboard and Gulf states. No competitive products are currently designed with the same anti-corrosion benefits, so when Hero generators' unique advantages are properly marketed, we should continue to expect to see Greenfield Energy's reach and power grow. Please join me in congratulating the 2024 Coastal Entrepreneur Award winners for manufacturing and distribution, Floyd Price and Robin Spinks.
Thank you so very much to the Business Journal and the UNCW CIE for having these great awards that recognize new products and services and things that are created right here in our own backyard. It's really amazing to sit here and listen to all of this. I'm feeling very humbled to be up here amongst them. I'd also like to thank Josh Hellingsley in the Chamber for nominating us, or we would not be here, so thank you. I want to give a shout out and a thank you to our early customers who believed in Floyd's crazy ideas and who knew him, who knew that he was a genius and could fix things, and so we appreciate their support. We also are extremely appreciative to our employees who are back here in the back and for sticking with us through thick and thin, and we do appreciate that. Thank you. But most importantly, I would like to thank the Lord who brought us down the path through a lot of trials and tribulations in order to persevere to be here in this place of honor today. So I'd like to say that these storms of life are really what helped create this product for the storms of weather. We are really grateful and humbled. Floyd and I are partners in business and in life, but he's the one that really loves to help people and to solve problems in difficult times. And that's what created this Hero generator product that I'm so proud of him for doing. For those of you who might be going through similar paths of difficulty, we've got a great saying that we would like to share with you. Life should not be a journey to the grave with the intention of arriving safely in a pretty and well-preserved body, but rather to skid in broadside in a cloud of smoke, thoroughly used up, totally worn out, and proudly proclaiming, "Wow, what a ride." Thank you so much for this amazing award.